Today I'm working on the final details of this textile artwork, and that means switching between several of my favorite Bernina presser feet. I started by attaching a few more elements using the number 24 free motion open embroidery foot. This foot gives me complete freedom to stitch exactly where I want, making it perfect for adding those last artistic touches. Next, I switched to my favorite, the 44 Echo quilting foot, to add free motion stitching and secure the fabric layers to the back panel. Then it was time for the number 20 open embroidery foot to add a few decorative stitches and extra texture. After that, I changed to the standard sewing foot to attach some ric-rac trim, before jumping right back to the number 44 Echo quilting foot for the final free motion details. And just look at that! My textile artwork is actually a wearable scarf. Not only is the front full of color, texture and stitching, but I also used warm fleece fabrics on the reverse side, making it both beautiful and practical to wear.